Hey, if you're watching this video, then there's a good chance that you're interested whether Google still works for small business owners like you. Now, it's easy to get distracted with things like Facebook ads, social media, Instagram, Snapchat, and all these other things, but there is still a lot of opportunity on Google. And there's a good chance that if you're watching a video like this, that maybe you're not getting enough quality sales and leads into your business. Now, if you get in front of the right audience on Google or YouTube, which are the same company, then you're going to get qualified leads. And the leads that you can get from Google are very, very powerful because somebody has gone in there searching for a specific solution. And if you're the person that is standing out in front of that solution, giving that opportunity to help that person, then of course that person is going to be a good lead for you. It's very different from Facebook where you're interrupting people. So they're different strategies, but Google is still very, very, very powerful. There are billions of searches every day, and they're still the number one in search and will be for a long, long, long time to come. Now, getting on page one of Google is essential for your business. You need to have a presence there. You need to be getting leads and sales from Google for your business. Now, I've got a way that I can help you do that, and that's with my SEO audit. And I've created a 5-minute SEO audit. It's very easy, very quick for you guys to do. All you need to do is click on the link that's around this video above or below, and you can get that SEO audit and work out whether your site needs to be changed, tweaked, whatever it is that you need to do to rank on Google as well. So do that now, grab that audit, and I'll see you on the next page. Cheers, guys.